In the last video, this is the place where the villagers have to come here for various purposes, for fetching water, for drinking, and for washing clothes. So in the last video, in the part 1, I had made a little unfinished way. So this in part 2 video, I and along with my friend, we are going to make a little more better water pipe system for the villagers. So watch till the end, okay, how it will be made. Well, this is the place that now we are going to make a beautiful place for bathing place. That's a bathing place. There, a person, the boy went there to bring a post for the support for this pipe. Right now he's cutting a wild bamboo for the support of the water pipe. There he is. There is the place. This will be the right support. One or two support or prop has already brought there. Another 1 or 2, 3 more support are needed. So one already got here.
Chini